What's up, guys? Today I've got a short lesson for you on the #1 strumming pattern that I think every beginner guitar player out there should be striving to learn and to get down like the back of their hand. There's a couple reasons for this. The first reason is songs. Everybody that ever wanted to pick up the guitar wants to do it because they want to learn one of their favorite songs on guitar, or they saw someone else play a song that they loved on the guitar and they're like, can I do that? The answer is yes, you definitely can do that. So this strumming pattern is going to allow you, once you learn it, is going to allow you to play through and strum some of your favorite songs. And by some, I literally mean thousands and thousands of songs are going to be at your disposal to strum through with this basic strumming pattern, all right? It's a little bit of work involved, but there's fun at the end of the tunnel, so stick with me here. Also, another reason is there are a lot more advanced strumming patterns that build off of this one pattern. So if you can get this down, and not to where you don't have to think about it anymore, right? So where you can just strum and never think about the pattern anymore. You can pick up a guitar and do it just without thinking, right? So this pattern, there's a bunch that build right on top of it, all right? So this is just a stepping stone in your journey on the guitar. So let's break down this pattern and take a look at it. So let's take a look at this pattern. I'm gonna play it fast with a chord progression so you can get where we're trying to get to here. So the idea is this. So you got... Okay, so that's the idea. Now let's break down that pattern. We're going to do it just on a G chord. So your G, down, down, up. First you got to get that down, so try that. Down, down, up. All right, once you get that down, then try this. Down, down, up. And then this next move is a miss. So you strum down, but you miss. And then you go up, down, up. So if you break it down half and half, it's not too bad. Once you get it smooth, you want to put on a metronome, start at like 60 beats per minute, and gradually increase till you can play at 80 and then maybe 100 beats per minute. So let me break that down again. So the first move is this. Down, down, up. And then you're going to go down, down, up. Miss, up, down, up. So it's down, down, up. Miss, up, down, up. Let's try that again. Down, down, up. That's your first move, and then miss, up, down, up. Now, one thing you can do is practice them separately. So it's down, down, up, miss, up, down, up. But if you want to separate it, it'd be like this. Down, down, up. All right? And then you're going to go miss, up, down, up. Then once you can do it, and probably the sooner you put the two pieces together, the better. Then you want to start, like I said, using a metronome and gradually increase tempo so that you can switch and so that you can strum smoothly. So it's down, down, up, miss, up, down, up, down, down, up, miss, up, down, up. If you have your guitar, you can try it along with me. I'm going to go really slow, so it's like this. Down, down, up, miss, up. Once you can do it, you want to practice that basically until you're sick of it, and then you want to play it, put your guitar down, take a break, then pick it up and do it until you're sick of it, and basically do it until you're sick of it, and sick of it, sick of it, and then keep doing it, and that's how you get good at guitar. Basically, just practice a lot. So, once you get the pattern down, then add some different chords. So you can go down, down, up, miss, up, down, up, D, down, up, miss, up, down, up, C, down, up, miss, up, down, up, down, down, up, miss, up, down, up, down, G, miss, up, down, up, D, down, up, miss, up, down, up, C, down, up, miss, up, down, up, C again, down, up, miss, up, down, up, G. So that's the pattern. Down, down, up, miss, up, down, up. If you can get that pattern down, you've got thousands of songs at your disposal. You guys have a good day. Subscribe for some more content like this, some good lessons, some free stuff. Go check out the website, and we'll catch you next time.